Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Karnataka style mutton sambar or mutton curry. This pairs very well with millet muddle, rice, idli, dosa. It's a wonderful curry. Normally you can get to taste these type of curries in military hotels or in traditional homes. I'm going to start preparing the meat first. I've gone ahead and purchased this curry kit meat from Freshtohome. I recently visited their factory outlet and I was really impressed with the meat quality. So I purchased the curry cut meat. They are no way sponsoring for this and they don't know that I've purchased it from their website. You can purchase it via the app or the website. This is a local app that is available in Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi. You get very fresh meat. It's antibiotic free, just does not contain any sort of chemicals. Very hygienically packed and it's frozen at 4 degrees. It's freshly packaged as per your order. So this is half a kilo of meat. Washed it thoroughly, drained all the excess moisture and I've reserved the meat. So I've laid all the ingredients for this curry. So you've already seen how I washed the meat. I've reserved the meat. We would also require ginger, garlic, sliced onion, finely chopped onion for the curry, sliced onion for the curry paste, half a lime, chilies, fresh coconut, half of a large tomato, curry leaves, coriander and mint. The masala powders I'll be using is rasam powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. Rasam powder is from Falada Pure and Sure, but in few days I'll also be showing you how I prepare this rasam powder. This is Karnataka style rasam powder. We'll also be using roasted Bengal gram and khaskhas to thicken the gravy. Whole spices I'll be using cumin, cinnamon, peppercorns, cardamom, cloves, lichen and a small piece of star anise. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I completely forgot to show you, I'll also be using 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp to give a good tart taste in the curry. Now I'm going to start preparing the meat. I'm going to marinate the meat first. So I've spread the meat in a plate just to show you the portion size of the meat and also to show you that the meat is very nice and pink. It's very nice and tender. I've added half a lime. I've massaged the lime in the meat. The lime will penetrate faster and you'll have a very nice tender meat. It will penetrate all that masalas into the meat. So this is how they prepare it at all restaurants. I'm also going to be adding turmeric powder, chili powder, rasam powder and coriander powder to the meat. I'll marinate this meat first. Allow this to marinate on your kitchen counter itself for half an hour. Just cover it and allow it to marinate. Now while this is marinating, I'm going to start preparing the masala paste or the curry base. I've heated a wok on medium flame. I've added 3 teaspoons of oil. I'll bring this oil to temperature. Now I've added the whole spices, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, cumin, lichen, and I've also added the ginger. I'll allow all these ingredients to splutter first. Now I've added the khaskhas and roasted Bengal gram. I'll fry all these ingredients first. Khaskhas has to splutter and stop spluttering. Now I'll add garlic, sliced onion, chilies, coriander, mint, few curry leaves. I've added half a tomato and coconut. Now I'll fry all the ingredients and make sure this onion and tomato has softened completely. You have to grind this ingredients to a paste. Fry it on medium flame until the onion and tomato breaks down completely and it is softened. Here you can see I've fried it thoroughly. I'm going to be transferring this to the mixer jar. By adding just a splash of water, I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste. You can prepare this masala paste ahead of time and you can store it in the refrigerator if you're going to prepare this curry. So this is a perfect Sunday curry that you can find across Karnataka. Now the masala paste is ground. I'll start preparing the mutton. I've heated a pressure pan on medium flame. To the pressure pan, I've added 3 tablespoons of oil. You can also use ghee. Normally in village style cooking or in military style hotels, they use sesame oil. So make sure you use sesame oil. Once the oil has heated all the way through, I've added curry leaves and finely chopped onion. I'm going to fry the onion till the onion turns transparent. Now this is going to be my curry base. I'm going to be adding the meat and I'll fry the meat for 2 minutes. The recipe in detail will be posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. All the ingredients used in this recipe, along with measurements, will be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. I kept frying the meat for 2 minutes. Now I'll be adding salt and water. We can adjust the salt later. You just add a small amount of salt. I'll fry the meat further. I'll be adding water, about 1.5 cups of water. We need to cook the meat first. I'll place a cover and allow the meat to cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Now once the meat has cooked, you can see it's nice and tender. At this point, I'll be adding the masala paste. I've placed this on medium flame. You can see it's starting to bubble. At this point, I'll add the masala paste. You can dilute the curry as per your preference. I'll bring it to a rapid boil at this point. Now you can see the oil has surfaced. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of tamarind pulp. Now I'll give this a good stir. And it's ready. I'm going to boil this for another 2 more minutes and I'm going to serve it hot. Serve this as hot as possible. Garnish it with coriander and mint leaves and you serve it. We really like this mutton sambar with ragi muddle and rice. Do try this recipe and post your comments, friends. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.